Hi guys, I'm sorry about something. I haven't seen a video for about 1,000,000,000 days or something, or a week, or almost a month. Not over a month. So I'm sorry about that. Anyways, we're in the Fairfax Railroad Museum. And I think you already seen it. These videos. You already seen it, right? I think you guys have seen this. Sorry for the sound, guys.
You want to walk? Walk around one more time. One adult and one
Child.
You are 7 years old, so
Yeah.
Would you like a receipt? No? Thank you.
We're basically looking in this place, which is water and stuff. I'm feeling something's wrong because there's only one little immortal car in this whole train's literally. Let's see what the heckin' locomotive is. Look. Yep, it's a CSX SD70. Not 88.
yeah, we would have gone there.
Here to look at Pennsylvania. The bridge, some cars and some stuff. An abandoned car, which is, I think, fell down. Oh. Never thought you would go that far.
Excuse me, I come through here. Excuse me, sir. You guys need the bridge.
And here's the next gen Acela. Oh, it's a race.
Sort of like
Penn Central and CSX, and CSX is taking over the Penn Central thing. And they don't have one of these long super ones.
the history related careers.
Why is this thing stop moving?
Want to be broke? Well, that's the thing. I guess that's my issue. Why the case so
Now you're moving, but oh, sorry. Fine, we're going somewhere else, everyone.
It's good to be back.
How was your surgery out west?
Way out red. Way out red.
Damn, it's always so cool.
Dinosaur was very similar to how I left it last year. We did have some big construction projects that I knew about going in, but they were a real grab bag from day to day.
You guys might say, is this the only
our contract
model
is pretty
trains? Nope, there's a billion, trillion more. And these trains also change. Guys, I have a feeling they're gonna use Union Pacific 4014. Oh. GGB's going round after round. You could do it. There's the Penn Central. What are these guys train waiting for? There's not even Yeah, there's a passenger train, but it's not connected.
I did some modifications to it because
Looks like that, and this.
The distances.
Damn!
So I put in
What is happening to CFX?
it's not we put in like this.
Let me move. Set it off. Oh, sorry for that. Really? Guys, that's going like 90 miles per hour or something. That's so fast. TGV's literally going 90 miles per Not sure what this is called, but it is a Pennsylvania railroad thing.
lots of coal mining for so they had a lot of rough and tumble people. Powder River Basin is the northeast. I think Powder River Basin wasn't really being developed till the 60s, 70s. They finally adopted an benchmark standard for the
And I'll tell you this again. I'll tell you this again. There's gonna be freaking parts. Is this an HO or SCO?
Yeah, it's a HO.
HO.
It's a HO. I got some. This is an
That's an N scale.
I wonder if they have Z scale. No, they won't.
They won't at all.
No, how does Z scale?
And part 2 is about being later, so see you in part 2, everyone.